Hola! Good morning, everyone! Okay, today we are going to do a really simple, a really natural makeup look. I'm going to do basically the makeup that I usually do every day. As you can imagine, I'm not wearing that really glam makeup look every single day. No, that doesn't happen. Normally I use makeup every day if I'm going out. Today I'm going to show you how to prep your makeup at home. And if you don't wear makeup every day, that it's normal because not every people like it. But if you want to start doing your makeup and you don't know how to do a really simple makeup, this is a perfect video for you. So let's get started, I guess. Come on, let's come with me. Come with me.
Preview.
Okay guys, I already moisturized my skin. I'm going to apply the Kiko Divine Tone Moisturizing Face Serum. This has a shimmer and it looks like I am a bronze statue. To apply this product, I'm going to use this Fleur Mar brush. I don't know if you can see the difference between one side with this moisturizing face serum. I don't know if you can see the difference, but this is really pretty. I'm going to apply a little bit of my primer, and this is the Makeup Base Illuminating from Pierre Rene. And I'm just going to apply a little bit around my nose, my problem areas, around my dark circles, my eyes, and you know how this goes. Now let's move on to foundation, and I'm not going to use a lot of foundation. I'm just going to apply it on my problem areas, and as you can see, my skin is horrible at this moment. I have scars from my eyeglasses. I have really dry area in here. I don't know what happened. I have scars everywhere, pimples. I'm going to hide all those things with my foundation. I'm not going to use the beauty sponge. I'm going to use this fluffy brush from Morphe. And I'm just going to place a little bit of the foundation on the brush and then hide my problem areas. I'm just going to apply at first a little bit on each and every place that I see that it is really bad. Okay, I'm back with a new mirror. I'm just going to use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife mirror because it's this really big mirror, so yeah. Now that I've put the foundation on the places that I think that have some discoloration, I'm going to blend it out with this fluffy brush. This is bigger than the other one, and this is from Morphe too. I'm going to use a lot of brushes from Morphe this video because I just received some new brushes that I've ordered, so yeah. So if you use the brush right, it's like you need to use them really lightly, pressing at first, but then let go, just like that. I'm going to put some concealer. I'm just going to put a little bit, as you can see, just a little bit on my chin and on my cupid's bow, and I think it's good. And you want to make sure that you're tapping around your eyes. Just need to blend everything together, the concealer and the foundation. I'm going to use a translucent setting powder around my eyes, and I'm not going to use a lot of powder. It's just to set and not look cakey. Cakey? I think it's like that. Cakey, yeah. I'm going to apply some blush. I'm going to use the Flormar blush, and is the Baked Blush on the color Touch of Apricot. Around my nose to look healthy. Just going to sculpt a little bit my face with a bronzer. A little bit on my nose, and I do this step because I want to give my face some structure. But if you don't desire that, you can always skip this step, because this is a natural look, you guys. I am a little bit extra. I'm always a little bit extra, but if you don't want to put like the bronzer, you can always skip this. I was saying before that I ordered some brushes from Morphe, and that's not the only thing that I ordered. I bought this Morphe palette. This is the 35O. I wanted to buy the 3502, but it wasn't on stock. So yeah, this is the palette. This is how the palette looks like. It has this plastic. With the shades names. I'm going to keep this plastic just to know the names. I am going to use this palette today on my eyes. I'm just going to bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see what I'm going to do with my eyes. I forgot to put some eyeliner, so I'm going to put it now. I hope I'm focused too, because I'm all alone in here. But yeah, I'm going to use the color Popular from the palette that I've told you. Let me see the colors that I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to use the So Fetish. It is this mocha light color. I'm going to apply this all over my crease. Oh, and this is a Morphe brush too. And when you have this really blended, I'm going to use another Morphe blush. This is from the collection Total Intensivity, and it is the T1801 eyeshadow blending brush. And I'm going to use a deeper shade, this one, that it is the Wannabe color. Okay, let's talk about this palette. I am loving the pigmentation and how they blend out, but I have one issue, that is fallout. They have so much fallout. I'm not even kidding. You want to use the same brush that you used before and blend everything together. Just really easy, you guys. It's just blending, 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 blending. Tell me in the comments down below if you want a really fast, like 5-minute makeup tutorial for daily routine, or if you want me to show that on my Instagram. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, but I'm using this really tiny Morphe blush to place the same eyeshadow, the Wannabe eyeshadow, just like this. And it gives you this lift eye look. To end the eye, I'm going to apply the Hey eyeshadow, is this one. I'm going to apply this color all of my lid. I was thinking to do an eyeliner with this eye look, but today I'm not feeling it. I'm just going to apply some mascara, and I think I'm good with that. I'm going to use the Rituals Miracle 3-in-1 mascara. I have really big lashes, so I don't need to curl them. If you don't have these lashes, this type of lashes, I think you can see how big they are. You probably want to curl them just to make them up to the Jesus, like Patrick Stardust says, and well said. I'm going to give my brows some shape with one of these brown colors, because this palette has a lot of brown colors, so I'm going to try it because I want to see how it goes. And I think I'm going in with the slight color, that is this brown shade. It's really pretty, and if it doesn't work, I think I'm going in with the Unreal. It's like this shade. Okay, I think I like the Unreal better, so I'm going to use that one. This is another Morphe brush that has this tail to brush your eyebrows, and it has this angled brush. I'm going to finish this eye off camera and I'll be right back, okay guys? Wait a minute. Okay, I am back with my eyes done, and I'm going to move on to the last step, that is lips. I'm going to use a really nude pink lipstick. I don't know the brand from this lipstick, but I'm going to show you the color. It's this really pretty color, really pretty pink. And I'm going to apply this with a brush. I'm applying this lipstick with a brush because I don't want that really intense lip. I just want that this color looks like my natural lip color. So I'm using a brush just to help the process. And I'm just going to use some lip balm, Incredi Balm. I think this is from Essence, and this is the shade Pink. Wait, I have the cap here. I'm going to use the same brush to apply the lip balm. My eyes are really matte. I just use matte colors besides the highlight parts, and these wet lips give the look that extra natural thing that we were looking for. Last but not least, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter because it's a natural look, but we want this to stay all day. You guys, this is so refreshing. And we are done, guys. This is a finished look, a really natural, and you can wear this anywhere. You can go out with this makeup, you can go at the disco, you can go at the market, at the Target, at the motherfucking street. You can do everything with this makeup. It's simple, it's beautiful, it gives you that shebang. You don't have that really heavy makeup on, and I don't like to wear that type of makeup every day, so this is what I usually do when I want to look pretty, like for a date, but I don't want to look like I just put a mask of makeup on. If you didn't know how to do this, now you know. You don't have an excuse. And if you have some trouble doing this makeup, please just ask me on the comments those type of things. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media, and please don't forget to subscribe because this girl is just starting now. And yeah, if you have any tips, any type of video that you want me to film for you to see, give me that suggestion. 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 Oh my god, guys, I'm here trying to say suggestion. I can say it, I'm sorry. Deixem as vossas sugestões. This is in Portuguese, you can always Google it. Suggestions. Yeah. Let's move on. I hope you really like this video. If it helped you, comment down below. Give me some love, please. I love you all. Bye. Bye 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 bye.